If you'd like to create a standard definition export, then what you do is have your composition set up with your images that you'd like to export. You go to Composition, Add to Render Queue. Under the Output module, we go to Make Template. We call this SD for Standard Definition Export. We can click on Edit. We go over to Format Options, Video Codec, and change that to H.264. And because this is standard definition, we do not need it to be very high. So if this were HD, we'd set it around 25 to 30,000. If this was 4K, it'd be even higher than that. But because this is standard definition, we don't need it set too high. So 8,000 will be fine for our purposes. Click OK. Now this is a 4K composition that we've created, so in order to make it standard definition, we need to change a few things. So we've already changed the bitrate to 8,000 kilobits per second. So the next thing we need to do is constrain the resolution to standard definition. So down here with the 16:9 checkbox selected for the aspect ratio, we can change the lower number to 480. And because of the aspect ratio being 16:9, a 480 composition will have the width of pixels being 853, which means it is standard definition widescreen. Okay, so we don't need crop and we can turn off the audio. Let's click on OK, go to OK, and we can see that our standard definition export preset has been selected. The next thing to do is go to Output, click it, navigate to where you'd like the export to go, navigate to where you'd like your export to go, give it a name. For this one we'll call it SD export. Click on Save and go to Render.